Isaac Newton, the genius who changed our understanding of the universe. Isaac Newton is considered one of the greatest scientists in history. His discoveries in physics and mathematics revolutionized the way we understand the world around us. From the laws of motion to the law of gravity, his theories laid the foundation for classical physics, which is still studied and applied today. His contributions were not limited to physics, but extended to mathematics and optics, making him a key figure in the history of science. Newton's early life and education. Isaac Newton was born on December 25, 1642, January 4th, 1643, in the modern calendar, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. He had a challenging childhood as his father passed away before his birth. Despite these hardships, he showed great curiosity and intelligence from a young age. In 1661, he enrolled at the University of Cambridge, where he developed a deep interest in mathematics and natural sciences, influenced by the works of Kepler and Descartes. Scientific achievements and impact. 1. The law of universal gravitation. It is said that Newton was inspired to develop the concept of gravity after seeing an apple fall from a tree. This led him to question why objects fall straight down rather than in any other direction. His research resulted in the formulation of the law of universal gravitation, which explains the motion of celestial bodies and later contributed to the advancement of astronomical mechanics. 2. The three laws of motion. In his groundbreaking book, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, 1687, Newton introduced three fundamental laws that became the cornerstone of classical mechanics. First law: an object remains at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. Second law: the force acting on an object is equal to its mass multiplied by its acceleration, F equals ma. Third law: for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. These laws remain essential to modern engineering, aerospace technology, and physics. 3. Contributions to optics. Newton conducted pioneering experiments on light and optics, demonstrating that white light is composed of multiple colors by passing it through a prism. He also invented the reflecting telescope, which used mirrors instead of lenses, significantly improving the quality of astronomical observations. The development of calculus. Newton played a crucial role in developing calculus, a branch of mathematics essential for describing continuous change in nature. Although German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz independently developed calculus around the same time, Newton's work laid the groundwork for its application in physics. Later life and legacy. In his later years, Newton held prestigious positions, becoming president of the Royal Society in 1703 and serving as the master of the Royal Mint, where he reformed Britain's currency system. He continued contributing to science until his death on March 20th, 1727, and was honored with burial in Westminster Abbey. Newton's influence is still evident in modern science, with his laws forming the basis for our understanding of motion and gravity. His innovations in mathematics and optics remain widely used across various scientific and technological fields. Undoubtedly, Newton was one of history's greatest minds, and his work continues to inspire scientists and researchers today. Some of his quotes that inspired the world. "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." Isaac Newton. "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. What we know is a drop. What we don't know is an ocean. A man must think for himself, for the right thinking is the greatest gift from God. Nature is pleased with simplicity. Truth is ever to be found in simplicity, and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. Gravity explains the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who set the planets in motion. If I have ever made any valuable discoveries, it has been owing more to patient attention than to any other talent. And that wraps up our deep dive into the life and legacy of Sir Isaac Newton. His discoveries shaped the scientific world as we know it today. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content on history's greatest minds. Let us know in the comments which scientist you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.